Did you know that the person you trust most could be the one planning your destruction? Valerie Morris thought she knew Xavier, her federal handler for 3 years. When he called about a compromised safe house, she rushed to help without question. But the moment she stepped into that abandoned facility, everything changed. Xavier had been selling her secrets to crime boss Mendez for 6 months, trading her life for his daughter's safety. He knew her training, her escape routes, her deepest fears. The emergency was fake, the building was a trap, communication systems were down, security disabled, and assassins waited in every corner. They knew exactly how she would move because Xavier had taught them. For half a year, he documented her routines, her methods, her weaknesses. The man she trusted had turned their partnership into a weapon pointed straight at her heart. Now Valerie faced her most dangerous enemy yet, someone who knew her better than she knew herself. Sometimes betrayal comes from the last person you'd ever suspect.